Hi children, welcome back to my channel. In this video, you are going to see SOF International Mathematics Olympiad of Class 1 question paper set A. Those who are going to write the exam on November 19th and December 12th, this video will be very helpful children. So quickly see the question paper guidelines first. In this paper, you will be having total questions 35 and time will be 1 hour. You will be given with the OMR sheet. Before you start the exam, you have to write your name, school code, class, section, roll number, and mobile number clearly on the OMR sheet. And you have to sign. Don't forget to sign on the OMR sheet so that they could share your marks, result, and other information related to SOF exam on your mobile number. The question paper comprises of four sections: logical reasoning, mathematical reasoning, everyday mathematics, and achiever section. Each section has 10 marks and achiever section has only 5 questions, but each question carries 2 marks children. There will be no negative marking. You have to choose only one option for every question, and you have to darken the circles with HB pencil. Rough work will be done in the blank space provided in the booklet. Return the OMR sheet to the invigilator at the end of the exam. Please fill your personal details. First section, logical reasoning. First question, there is a certain relationship between the pair of figures on either side of dots. Identify the relationship of the given pair and find the missing figure. Dog's house is kennel. Dash house is pond. Whose house is pond? Fish house is pond. So option A is the right answer. Second question, which of the following lines is not present in the given figure? Vertical line is present, slanting line is present, curved lines are present, horizontal lines are not present. So option D, horizontal, is the right answer children. Third question, there are dash people sitting on the camel. So camel is there. On camel, 1, 2, 2 people are sitting. Option B is the right answer. Fourth question, letter dash is sixth from the right end. From the right end, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I is sixth from the right end. Option D is the right answer. Fifth question, if yesterday was Wednesday, then tomorrow will be dash. So if yesterday was Wednesday, today will be Thursday, tomorrow will be Friday. Option B, Friday, is the right answer. Sixth question, which of the following objects looks like a cylinder? In these given figures, option B looks like a cylinder. So option B is the right answer. Seventh question, find the missing number in the given number pattern. 17 became 14, 14 became 11, 11 became 8. So what number pattern is following in the given figures? 17 minus 3 is 14, 14 minus 3 is 11, 11 minus 3 is 8, 8 minus 3 is 5. So option A, 5, is the right answer children. Eighth question, two groups of dash lemons each can be formed from the given lemons. Let's count the number of lemons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 7 plus 7, 14. So first group 7 lemons, second group 7 lemons. So each group has 7 lemons. Option A is the right answer. Ninth one, select the odd one out. Spoon, paintbrush, glass, food plate. So spoon, glass plate related to food, paintbrush is related to painting. Option B is the right answer. 10th question, which of the following is thinner than marker? Log, stick, and a pin. Coke tin is given. So pin is thinner than marker. Option C is the right answer. Second section, mathematical reasoning. 11th question, which of the following number sentences represents the given picture? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 kites are there. How many are crossed out? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 13 minus 6 equal to 7. Option B is the right answer. 12th question, the given toy bike is dash hands long. So let's count how many hands long the given bike. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 hands long. So option A, 5 hands long is the right answer. 13th question, which of the following sets of coins and notes worth 75 rupees? Option A, 20 plus 20, 40, 40 plus 20, 60, 60 plus 5 is 65, not equal to 75. 50, option B, 50 plus 20 is 70, 70 plus 5 is equal to 75. So option B is the right answer. 14th question, the number name for the smallest number shown on the given board is dash. Smallest number here is 18. So number name is EIGHTEEN 18. Option B is the right answer. 15th question, compare and fill in the box using greater than, less than or equal to. 5 tens is 50, 2 ones is 2, 50 plus 2 is 52, 3 tens is 30, 5 ones is 5, 30 plus 5 is 35. Let's add 52 plus 35. So 5 plus 2 is equal to 7, 3 plus 5 is 8, so 87. 6 tens is 60, 7 ones is 7, 2 tens is 20. So 0 plus 7, 7, 7 plus 0 is equal to 7. 2 plus 6 is 8. This is equal to 87. So 87 is equal to 87. So option A equal to is the right answer. 16th question, total number of triangles in the given figure is dash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So option C, 14 is the right answer. 17th question, which of the following activities generally takes least amount of time? Studying, eating, washing hands, playing. So washing hands takes less amount of time. So option C is the right answer. 18th question, which of the following is the heaviest? Fruit basket, chocolate box, book. Weight machine is showing 5 kg, fruit basket, chocolate box is 3 kg, book is 4 kg. So among these, which is heaviest? 5 kg is the heaviest, that is fruit basket. Option A is the right answer. 19th question, 2 tens, 5 ones more than the number shown on the abacus is dash. On the abacus, ones place is 3, tens place is 5. So 53, 2 tens, 5 ones, 5 plus 3 is 8, 2 plus 7 is 7, 2, 5 plus 2 is 7, so 78. Option D is the right answer. 20th question, which of the following gives the greatest value? 5 minus 4 is 1, 6 minus 2 is 4, 18 minus 3 is 15, 27 minus 21 is 6, 48 minus 17 is 31. Option A, 41 is the right answer. Everyday mathematics 21st question. 5 children were playing in the school ground. After some time, 7 more children joined them. How many total children are playing in the school ground now? 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. So option C, 12 is the right answer. Second question, Priya saw some butterflies flying in the garden as shown in the picture. There were dash butterflies flying in the garden. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 110, 3 ones is the right answer. 13 is equal to 10 plus 3. Option B, 110 3 ones is the right answer, children. 23rd question, Sumit bought 15 bulbs from the market. He broke 8 bulbs. How many bulbs were not broken? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bulbs were not broken. Option D is the right answer. 24th question, Mohit wants to collect maximum quantity of water. Which of the following containers will he use for it? So, jug, glass bottle are having least capacity to hold the water. So maximum quantity of water can be held by bucket. So option B is the right answer. 25th question, the given picture shows some activity during a part of the day. It must be dash. So from the window, moon, stars are visible. So the boy is sleeping. A time clock is showing 10. So it must be night. So option A, night is the right answer, children. 26th question, Navya saw the given picture in the art gallery. The shape of its frame is dash. Here the opposite sides are equal. So it is not a square, it is a rectangle. Option C is the right answer. 27th question, Karthi has chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. Her father gave chocolate, chocolate, chocolate to her. How many total chocolates does she have now? 1, 2, 3, 4. Her father gave 1, 2, 3. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So option D, 7 is the right answer. 28th question, Karan gave 550 rupees to shopkeeper to buy the given notepad. How much money will he get back? So 50 minus 30 is equal to 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 3 is 2, 20 rupees. So option B is the right answer. 29th question, Rohan bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 oranges from the market, out of which 1, 2, 3 were rotten, dash were not rotten. So, how many oranges he bought from the market, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 from the market, 1, 2, 3 were rotten. So, dash were not rotten. 7 minus 3 is 4. 4 oranges were not rotten. Option A is the right answer. 30th question, the weight of Rashi 24 kg and the weight of her brother is 3 kg less than her weight. Find the weight of Rashi's brother. 24 minus 3 is equal to 4 minus 3 is 1. 2 minus 0 is 2. 21 kg. Option C is the right answer. Last section, Achievers section. 31st question, identify the number. Statements are given. Its ones place digit is 3 less than the greatest one digit number. It is less than 48 but more than 40. So ones place is greatest one digit is 9. 3 less than is 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Ones place we got as 6. Let's find tens place. It is less than 48 but more than 40. So we have to find out the tens place. More than 40, less than 48. So from options 49, 56, 59, 46. So option D is more than 40 and less than 48. Option D is the right answer. 32nd question, refer to the given picture and answer the following questions. There are dashed triangles in the given picture. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 triangles are there in the given picture. There are dashed horizontal lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 horizontal lines are present and dash slanting lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 slanting lines are present. So option C is the right answer, children. 33rd question, Vartika started her dance classes from second Tuesday of May. If she missed her classes on 22nd and 28th May, then for how many days did she go for dance classes in that month? Assume that every Sunday is a holiday. So she has started going to dance classes on second Tuesday, that is 8th, and 22nd, 28th are missed. Sundays are crossed out. 9, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So option D is the right answer. 34th question, which of the following options shows the expanded form of the difference between the number shown on the two abacuses? So ones place is 7, tens place is 9. Here, in the second figure, ones place is 4, tens place is 5. Let's take the difference. 7 minus 4 is 3. 9 minus 5 is 4. 43 can be written as 40 plus 3. Option A is the right answer. 35th question. Observe the given picture carefully and fill the blanks. Dash is the longest. The length of toy train is dash more than the length of toy car. The total length of toy truck and toy car is dash. So toy truck length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So toy truck is 6. Toy train length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So toy train length is 10. Toy car length is 1, 2, 3, 4. So toy car is 4 pins long. So which is the longest? Toy train is the longest. The length of toy train is dash more than the length of toy car. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. So total length of toy truck and toy car is 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So option B, toy train 6, 10 is the right answer. So please like and subscribe my channel, children. Thank you, children. Bye, children.